So here are some questions. Why should you learn English language? Do you have answer? Why do we learn English? You know about this. Why do you need to learn English? So I'll give you answer. Why do you want to learn English? Number 1, to get a better job or a promotion. Number 2, to study in an English speaking country. Number 3, to present a research paper in an international conference. Number 4, to help your students learn English well. Number 5, to pass a required examinations. Now let's move on next questions. It's time to learn English. Why are you learning English? Is learning English worth your time? Now I'll give you some reasons why our English isn't improved. Number 1, we don't spend enough time learning English. Number 2, we are too passive about learning English. Number 3, we don't review and revise what we have learned, because if you only install English language in your brain and don't use it, then you cannot expect that your brain retain all these things. Number 4, we rely on our native language too much, like Urdu and Sindhi. Number 5, we are always focused on our mistakes. Number 6, we don't put things in context nor implement. Number 7, we are not confident and afraid of making mistakes. So here are 5 simple steps to learning perfect English grammar. Number 1, make mistakes. Forget everything. Number 3, find a tough teacher. Number 4, talk to yourself. Because if we have not environment to talk English language, then you have two options that talk to yourself to improve your English and practice. Number 5, find a class buddy. Follow the rules and very soon you will be speaking perfect English. So what do you think? English language is tough? So how to learn English quickly? Top 5 tips to learn fast. So here are 5 ways to learn English faster. Number 1, surround yourself with English. So learn, watch and speak English often. Number 2, think in English. How you think in English? Immerse and learn more about Canadian culture, American native speaker. Number 3, be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because when you learn something new, then you mistake teach us better. Number 4, dedicate time to study. Study on your own or with a teacher, because teacher is a good source to learn something new. Number 5, practice. Use the language every day. Practice with your colleagues, friends and family members. So, how to learn English by yourself? Best tips for beginner to learn English fast. Listen to English, watch YouTube videos, speak English, use the internet, make notes or new vocabulary. And read books, master difficult sounds, trust yourself, keep it interesting, learn English every day.